article for today is Tesla move shows stock split are back. Investors are buying, often seeing the split as a signal of management confidence. So last week, it seems that there was an opening of Tesla factory in Germany.
And that stock splits are back in vogue. Tesla on Monday said it would seek to split its highly priced stock for the second time in 2 years. Already in 2022, both Google parent Alphabet and Amazon have unveiled plans for a 20-for-1 split.
Oh, even Amazon was gonna split, guys?
Stock splits themselves don't change the value of a company or the worth of shareholders' investments, but investors often interpret such plan as a signal of confidence by management, and they snapped up shares of all three companies after the news.
So I'm guessing that's probably why.
So Tesla's share climbed 8% to $1,091 on Monday, while Alphabet and Amazon also rose. In the trading sessions after the company said splits were in the works, Alphabet shares are up 3.9% since February 1st announcement, and Amazon is up 22% since March 9th. It has this connotation that a stock isn't splitting unless the company is successful, and they expect the price to go even higher and higher. That perception is sort of the driving factor. Once more common, stock split had seemed to be falling out of favor as more companies let their share prices climb. The rationale for the comeback? Some companies say a stock split makes their shares more accessible to a wider range of investors.
That's true. So someone like me, like, I want Tesla, but I don't have $1,000, and I want to be part of this let's go to the moon crowd. Then I would actually buy Tesla stock because they're splitting and that the price is now affordable to what, I don't know how it's gonna be, but even like $200 from 1,000, it's worth buying. 2 years ago in summer, 5-to-1 split of Tesla, and going to split again, you could have got it 2 years ago.
In the case of Tesla, individual investors don't appear to be waiting for split to take effect. They pile into shares of the electronic vehicle maker Monday, buying a net $37 million in stock, the highest one-day total in 2 months. Investors intrigued by the potential split still have questions, including when Tesla might divide its stock and how many shares they will receive for each existing one. And that Tesla said Monday that it would ask shareholders at its annual meeting, which typically takes place in the fall, to approve an increase in the authorized number of shares to enable a stock split. Back in 2020, Tesla's announcement of its first stock split also set off a buying spree. The day after the company said it would split its shares 5-for-1, individual investors bought a net $39.5 million of its share, more than 11 times as much as in the previous session.
I'm just sighing. Is it really worth it? Some brokerage now offer fractional share purchases. like Bitcoin, you know how they offer like 0.5, you could buy a 0.5 share of Tesla. So guys, question. Everyone is saying that, or everyone is confident, because whenever stock split is happening, even in the article they say that it kind of represents the success, or it kind of means that, you know, the company is doing very good and that their overall price will increase in the future. Do you guys still believe in Tesla? Even this day, 2022, March 30th, when I'm recording this, do you still think that Tesla still has the potential of going to the moon when other famous automotive companies like Ford, GM, Hyundai, Germany, car company, blah, 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 are all going into the EV or autonomous car? Do you still think that Tesla has a chance to go against them? Why do you guys think it'll stay strong though? Because I've been inside a Tesla car. It was funny because I was in New York and the car looked fancy and I got on it and it was a Tesla. The guy was driving a Tesla for his Uber job, and the giant pad that they have, I thought that was like he put it there just because he was a Uber driver, but it wasn't. Apparently it's like attached to it, and I was like, this is so ugly, like I'm not gonna buy this. But I really didn't like the inside design, so for me, maybe not. I don't see a potential. Like, I think there are other very nice fancy car models out there that's much better than Tesla, or they're much more safer, at least, because they already have the history of building the cars and everything. But I don't remember which model it was because I didn't really look at the back, but the only memory I have of Tesla car was that not what I thought it would be design wise. Maybe to the stratosphere, because I think Tesla is a semi-meme stock with a strong foundation. Maybe that's why. Maybe. Elon profile on Twitter is fun to follow, but Tesla is vaporware since 2016. Great businessman, not so great company. Tesla is still a bit ahead just because they started earlier, but it would be more about what they do from now on. Yeah. So that's why I think they should change the name of this company. You know, it's like the same thing with Warren Buffett. People know Warren Buffett more than his company, I feel like, right? Of course, the name Tesla is famous, but I think it's like the same thing where Tesla is... People are believing in Tesla not because of their technology or everything, but just because Elon Musk is a great businessman and a great entertainer. Tesla will stay ahead, especially in the software side, because of the amount of data they process. True. Tesla has also SpaceX, or any and all of the money Elon has, because at any time he can throw it into this and that company. Tesla isn't SpaceX, but people will associate Tesla with SpaceX because he said he's gonna put a Tesla car in front of their spaceship. Isn't that why? Not the really smart people, but we all know how those meme stock turned out. True. I believe they have the best technology for now. And what technology do you trust with Tesla? I know you guys did mention that because they have a lot of data, their software is going to be very good. What other data do they have that makes it so popular? The self-driving software. I haven't tried Tesla's self-driving like thing, because I know Kia has a self-driving, like somewhat self-driving, where you just, you know, it's it's like the cruise mode, but you don't really like do anything with the handle. Is it the same thing, or is this completely different? Most car companies have some kind of lane assistant technologies. Yeah. But doesn't it, all they do is detect cars. It doesn't really like turn on its own. Don't you use the self-driving more on the highways, not on like downtown? So what level is Tesla in terms of the autonomous vehicle level? I thought it was 1, isn't it? I think they said it was 1 or 2. But I think this is where everyone is at though. Cause I haven't tried Tesla Autonomous, so I can't talk much about it, but I've tried the Kia Autonomous software, and most of the time it's really great, especially because they are aware of cars coming to the side. You know, it keeps giving me the beeps and stuff. But so Musk said level 4 likely next year, so they're saying that they're on level 3. I would be interested in what famous car experts would have to say about what level they are in, because I've heard that Tesla is in 2. I've heard they're in 1. So they're not like at the stage of automated systems. So it would be great to see it, and it'd be really fun to try it. It's very nice seeing all these Tesla believers like going crazy about it, and that, you know, it seems that like if this stock wasn't alive, that their life wouldn't be full. So anyways, to kind of conclude with the Tesla's stock split, I think it's great that they're doing it so that people who wanted to buy Tesla stock could at a cheaper price. It won't have probably the same value as their like original one, but always want to say be careful with semi-meme stocks, because you don't know what could happen in the future, and that always be sure to do some research when you're buying stock, and don't trust any meme sites out there when it comes to investments. So that's all for Tesla stock.